What's up, everybody? I'm really excited for this training because this is one that is one of the most important. It's something that I really want you guys to become masters on, and it's comping out properties, figuring out ARVs. And we've talked about our hot sheets, setting up different things already. And this is going to be like a deep dive into a specific property and the process and steps that we're going to follow to come up with that ARV. And again, ARV is after repair value. We figure out the after repair value by pulling comps. And this is how we're going to do it using Redfin and Zillow, like a combination of both, in addition to going out in the field, but we're going to do that in a different training. But this one's going to be just kind of at the computer. We're going to figure out exactly which properties we think are closest to our subject, and then we're going to comp it out. So first thing I want to do is let's just pull up the address of this property. This is a real-time lead I got over this weekend from an attorney that I've had a great working relationship with, and we're going to walk through it. I'm going to take you through the entire journey. So it's on Penrose, and I know Penrose. It's a great part of town. It's in actually right here, Penrose. It's in Westwood, a great little suburb of Cincinnati. Awesome appreciation, really great area. I've sold stuff there a ton, but this is the property right here. Now, I'm gonna pull it up. We got it on Redfin. Let me go back a step here. Actually, I'm gonna go here and pull it up actually on Redfin for you right now. 3041 Penrose, Cincinnati. Really easy to pull up. So now we can see it right here. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to